Motherson Sumi Finance has withdrawn its IPO plans. That's according to our sources. They were, remember, about to raise about 1,500 crore rupees. And for that, our research analyst who breaks the story, Gargi Parikh, joins us now. Gargi, tell us, why are they withdrawing these IPO plans?
Well, Nisha, like you mentioned, Motherson Finance, they are looking to withdraw the IPO that they had issued. The main reason that they've cited is poor market conditions. And just to give you a brief on the IPO, they were planning to mop up close to about 1,500 crore rupees from the IPO. They were issuing about 12.7 crore shares in the IPO, and the price band that was set was 113 to 118 rupees a share. And if you look at the subscription details for the first day, they had got a subscription of only 3%, as what news reports are suggesting. And the main reason the company is citing is the poor market conditions. Very soon we are going to get a release, official release coming in from the company itself. Let me also give you the lead managers of the issue were Standard Chartered and JP Morgan.
Right, Gargi, just one more point to ponder on. Basically, the market has been in a bad condition, in this kind of a condition for a long time. So Motherson Sumi Finance, when they started off with the IPO plans, at that time also they knew about the market conditions. Are your analysts, friends and the community and the investor community really telling you that the price band, probably what they fixed, and the kind of fundraising that they were looking at, aiming at, that was not something that the investors were comfortable with? Could that be also one of the reasons?
Well, it could be, if you look at the current market conditions, we are looking at discounting most of the companies, most of, the IPOs that we're seeing, and mainly because of the sentiment which has been soured by various issues that we are facing, whether global or domestic. That is one reason that we probably have not seen very good subscriptions coming in. Price, however, most analysts we spoke to said that it wasn't a very high price, but it's clearly only the sour market sentiment. And if you look at the carnage that we saw on the Sensex and Nifty today, probably giving you an indication that investors are not, over there looking at investing in IPOs at least at this point in time.